So welcome to the Geera Pork Tacos episode. I mean, take a look at this meat. It is so tender and delicious. It's absolutely amazing. So the first thing you're going to do is get habanero pepper. This is a Thai pepper. I didn't have pimento peppers and can't find them. You're going to chop that up. The rest is cilantro and garlic. Then you need meat. So this is pork butt. You want a marbled meat with fat in it. Like you can see all the fat here. And you're going to cube that up into some large cubes. And then you're going to take that chopped up marinade, and I added some apple juice to it and then kind of coarsely blended it up in the blender a little bit. And then I'm adding some dry thyme. You could use fresh thyme as well, and green onions. And then I'm going to mix that up, and that is going to be the marinade. And you're going to want to refrigerate that overnight. For the salsa, it's just pineapple and cilantro chopped up and mixed together. Then you're going to take some cumin seeds. That's what Geera is. And you're just going to toast it. And then after it's toasted, you're going to grind that up. So here I'm adding some oil to some chopped onions. And then I'm going to add that ground up Geera or cumin to that. And just sort of mix that up and let basically that cumin sort of open up. You only do that for about 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And then I'm adding the meat to that. So you're going to take that meat and just kind of stir that up. So this is over a medium-high heat. And just kind of get that going. Now, I added a little bit more of the cumin or Geera and some gram masala to this as well. So that's what I'm adding here at this point. And I'm going to stir that up. And then you're going to just let this simmer and cook in its own juices. And it's going to release a lot of moisture. And then once most of that moisture is gone, you're going to add some stock to it. So you can see it simmering here in its own juices. And as that starts to reduce, it's just going to start to become sort of all that flavor and oils from the meat. So at this point is when you're going to add the stock. And so this stock is a cup of chicken stock, a cup of water, and the juice of 1 lime. And so you're going to pour that in. You're going to cover that once again, bring that up to a boil, and then turn the heat down and let it simmer until all the moisture is gone. And so you can see there's just a little bit of gravy, a little bit of stuff in here. So you're done and ready to go. And this is some absolutely delicious tender meat. So I decided to pair this up and actually turn it into a taco. I think in the Caribbean they just eat this, just the meat alone. So this is the pineapple cilantro salsa that I made earlier, and this is the finished taco. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.